Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to fix laptop messenger video call problem. So, let's get started. Open Facebook Messenger on your PC and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings from the menu. In Settings, select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Site Settings. Under Permissions, choose Camera. Make sure Sites can ask to use your camera is enabled. Check the blocked list and remove Messenger if it appears there. Go back and open Microphone Settings. Ensure Sites can ask to use your microphone is enabled and Messenger isn't blocked. Return to Messenger. Start a video call and click Allow on the pop-up to grant camera and microphone access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.